So we're about to start, we're going to practice solving an inequality, but first we need to know what this inequality represents. So you have $6. You want to have at least $60 for a trip to a Yankees game. You can earn $13 each hour that you babysit. So here we see the inequality that we figured out how to write, where it says that I want to have this much, I want to have money over here, and I want that money to be at least 60. I want it to be either more than 60 or equal to 60. So 65 would be great, 100 would be awesome, and I could live with having 60, equal to 60. And I get that amount of money by having 6 and then earning some more. I'll earn $13 for each full hour that I work. And now the question is, find how long we have to work in order to have 60 or more dollars. So we're trying to figure out what this H is that makes this statement true. So we might think about our do-undo table. So what are we doing to H? We're multiplying it by 13, and then we are adding 6. So to undo that, we need to subtract 6, and then we need to divide by 13. So let's subtract 6 from both sides. And here we have 6 minus 6 is 0. 13h comes down. And 13h is greater than or equal to 54. So we just subtracted 6. So now we need to divide by 13. And now we're left with 1h. 13 divided by 13, that's 1. 1h. H is greater than or equal to 54 over 13. Now this is an excellent answer the way that it is. To figure out what this is as a decimal, this is how many hours, we do 54 divided by 13 like this. If we need any decimals, okay, and we'll just get this started. We won't do the whole thing. So 13 goes into 54. Let's see, 13, 26, 39, 52. If I'm counting by 13s, I can get to 52. That's 4 times. So this is telling me it's going to be something like 4 hours. Now 4 times 13 is 52. Okay, now bring down 0. 13 goes into 20. 13, 26. 26 is too much. So just 1 time. Decimal. 1 times 13 is 13. If we want to keep going, 13, 26, 39, 52, 65. Then past 65 would be 78. That's too much. 65. 5 times. And you see, this is not done yet. It is not a repeating decimal necessarily. We haven't figured out what it is. We would keep dividing. But we should know that 54 divided by 13 hours is a good answer. It's 4 hours and some more. And we can give a perfect answer as a fraction. So you see that 52 out of 13 gives us the 4 mixed number, 4, and something left over from 13. Let's look at that. So this is 4 remainder 2, and we take that remainder to make our mixed number. This is 4 2/13 hours. So we still haven't figured out how many minutes that is, but 4 hours won't quite be enough. 5 hours is plenty. To get to $60, 4 hours 2/13 of an hour gets us there. So the number of hours is greater than or equal to 4 2/13 hours. The numbers are not that nice, but you can see the process is pretty simple, and it will be the same process for every kind of problem like this, where we start with some amount, and then we get some more per hour, per day, per Pokemon card, whatever. Great job, Smarty Pants!